may consume. Mr. Speaker, I rise in strong support of H.R. 3056, the Tax Collection Responsibility Act of 2007. The bill has 7 provisions and is revenue neutral. First, the bill will repeal this excursion into private companies collecting the debt for the Internal Revenue Service. We've had many hearings, and the Internal Revenue Service on more than one occasion had indicated that given the resources, they could do a more effective job than having this subcontracting out to private firms. There's nothing magic about privatization. Just saying that it's privatized doesn't mean that it's more effective or that you're doing the right thing. And I think in this great country of ours, there is a special relationship between the Internal Revenue Service and the taxpayer. No one would ever like the tax collector, but you do feel a little more secure when you know that a public servant is doing his or her job, rather than this job being sold out or given out to somebody that's income is going to be based on how much taxes they collect today. No, if you got to call the office and ask the taxpayer to pay or call his home, let it not be a ride-but-night firm that is just getting involved in tax collection of federal indebtedness. Let it be someone that you can trust. Let it be a civil servant, and let it be the people that over the years have done a job, and no good reason have been given by anybody as to why they should not continue to do this. The only sad thing that you can say about the collection of taxes by the IRS is that admittedly we never gave them the money, we never gave them the resources, but no one can challenge that there's no one better trained to do the job than the Internal Revenue Service. And then, of course, I want to thank Representative Meek and Representative Herger providing leadership in repealing this provision that would address the 3% withholding rate on certain government payments for goods and service. It didn't look good then, it doesn't look good now. The bill also provides some equity to our citizens in the Virgin Islands to ensure fairness in tax collection there, and eliminates the restrictions on the statute of limitations, which means that their statute of limitation is our statute of limitation, that we all citizens this together, and they're not second class in this. In addition, of course, we want to say that this bill is revenue neutral, and I ask unanimous consent to yield the remainder of my time to the gentleman from North Dakota,